S. Chand presents educational video lectures as per the AICTE curriculum. Difficult concepts made easy. Study anywhere, anytime.
Welcome to S. Chand Academy. Okay, now in the part 2 we will understand कि how by introducing a resistance in the coil, the operating point and operating voltage will change the torque in the system and how the torque speed characteristics will get affected. I am Narendra Kaur. Now, if you want to study this topic in detail, refer this book from S. Chand Publishing. E-book link has been given in the description box. Now, in order to understand this, so these are the torque speed characteristics over here. This is the torque and here is the speed, or you can say that slip in this region. Now here NS, that means system is rotating with the synchronous speed. NR and NS both are same over here. Here this is the induction motor region and this is the generator region over here. This is the generator region. Now in this case, to the field winding, here this is, if this is the armature coil over here, and this is a field winding in this case. That means if this is a field winding, now in the field winding, if some of the resistance is introduced, if there is a variable resistance is connected, if this is a variable resistance, now when the variable resistance, let us suppose we have been taken the 4 value of the resistance R1, R2, R3 and R4. That means if R1 is more than R2, R3 and R4. Now these are the 4 value of the resistance. Now you can see that for the first one, if this is the R1, we will plot it this for only the induction area. Now in this case, if this is a trigger which is required, here this is a trigger which is required to initiate the coil. This is for the resistance R1. Now again, if variable resistance is decreases, so this will be for R2, that will be for R3 and this is for R4. Now you can clearly see here, now this is for R2, here this is R3 and R4. Means when the variable resistance which is introduced in the coil, it changes by this. Here the R1 is more, so this implies more trigger voltage is required for the resistance R1. Now for R2, lesser trigger voltage is required. For R3, again smaller value, means as the resistance goes on decreasing, the operating, or you can say that the trigger voltage that is goes on decreasing. Means now the resistance are the variable resistance, as soon as this decreasing, this is a trigger voltage over here. If this is a VT, that is a trigger voltage, that also goes on decreasing. Now as a VT goes on, trigger voltage goes on increasing, higher will be the current. Higher will be the current, means current will be high. Now if the current will be high, again the rotor speed will be high. Will be high, means easily we can operate the induction motor. So that can be achieved earlier as comparison to R3, R2, R3 and R4. Now second, This this also goes on shifted towards the right hand side, means the operating region of the induction motor also shifted towards generator. That means as the variable resistance is decreased, operation of induction motor that will be changes to synchronous generator. So its operation will changes to synchronous generator. So this is the effect of resistance to the trigger point. Means the trigger point is also affected and the operating region is also affected. Now what is the effect of resistance on this generator region? So in this region, here the mode of operation region is this one. Here this is the mode of operation region. Because in the mode of operation region, as S increases, the torque is decreasing, means the force is decreased. So in this region, so that can be achieved earlier when the resistance is small, means as the R decreases, mode of operation region that can be achieved earlier. Now next is what is the effect on generator characteristics? What is the effect on generator characteristics? So the generator characteristics are over here. So from here, so this is the mode of operation region. Now when 4 resistors are introduced, now if this is the R1, this is for R2, this is for R3 and that is for R4. So this is the effect of resistance on the generator characteristics. So these are the generator characteristics. Now what happened over here? So in the generator characteristics you can clearly see that as the resistance R1 goes on increasing, this deep effect that will be goes on increasing, means more will be the torque in the generator characteristics also. Higher the resistance, higher will be the force in the opposite direction. Here this represent the torque over here. So that means this will be more over here. If this is torque, this is T2 in the negative direction over here. So this implies as the R goes on increasing, the value of the torque, if this is a torque value, that is goes on changing as the R change over here. So we will represent here as tau R. So that will also increasing in the negative direction. That means more power supply is required to rotate magnets in the opposite direction. So as soon as the resistance goes on decreasing, lesser value of torque is required, means so as the resistance decreased, torque will decrease in the negative direction and the lesser value of field is required to rotate the field winding. means generator characteristics are also get affected as well as the induction motor characteristics get affected, means in that case the operating point goes on changing. So here is the operating point. This operating point goes on changing with the resistance, and in the generator characteristics also higher value as a resistance. So if this is the value of R1 and this is the value of R4 over here, the resistance goes on decreasing, the operating point goes on shift, that will be also shifted in the negative value towards the downward direction. Now in this case, as the resistance goes on decreasing, generator characteristics that will also get affected. So here the operating point is get affected, here the speed of the magnets that is also get affected over here. So in both the cases, induction characteristics as well as generator characteristics that will be get affected by the value of resistance coil. So when the resistance is introduced, so that will affect the characteristics. Now this is a mode of operation region that can be achieved earlier with the smaller resistance. For the given device, preferred resistance is small to get more rotor speed, and in order to achieve the induction motor characteristics and generator characteristics. So this is all about the torque speed characteristics and how the slip varies. So in the second part, we have understood about the torque speed characteristics and how the variable resistance, when it is introduced, how it affects the induction motor part characteristics and as well as generator part characteristics. Now if you want to study this topic in detail, refer this book from S. Chand Publishing. E-book link has been given in the description box, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for the future notifications.
All rights reserved. This video has been prepared for educational purposes only. No part of it may be reproduced or copied without the permission of the copyright holder.